How to turn off stretch resolution on PC Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off stretch resolution on PC Fortnite. Start Fortnite and allow it to reach the main menu. Access the settings menu by clicking on the three horizontal lines situated in the top right corner of the screen. Seek out the option labeled Settings or Video Settings within the menu. Once inside the Settings menu, locate the section about Resolution Settings, often denoted as Resolution or something similar. Choose your native resolution or the resolution that suits your preferences and matches your monitor's aspect ratio for optimal visual quality. Save the changes by applying them and then exit the Settings menu. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.